1 second. It is recording now. Yeah. See, can you see the screen now?
No, sir, I cannot see the screen.
Oh, sir.
Yeah, just a minute. Now I think you will be seeing that. All right.
Yes, sir.
See.
Yeah, sir.
See a reminder theorem. What exactly reminder theorem says to us? See here, first suppose if I have given a name, two names here, P of X and Q of X. All right. Let me write here. If P of X is my any polynomial, P of X is any polynomial over here. It has having degree greater than or equal to 1. Equal to 1. It's a the P of X here. Look at this. It could be that particular P of X degree could be greater than 1 or equal to 1. All right. So and that particular P of X, if I'm dividing with any other polynomial, let us say, and if it is dividing by the linear polynomial. What is that? Linear polynomial g of x, any linear polynomial g of x, let us g of x is equal to x minus a, let me take x minus a, then what is going to be my reminder? My reminder is going to be, reminder is P of a. Very good, very good, very good, Kana. Look at this, why x minus a? If I'm shifting like this, x is equal to a. All right, so let us solve that now. Let us solve a problem so that you will be able to understand clearly. All right, Kana. All right, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. See here now. See here, 1 second. Let me repeat this definition. Reminder theorem says if P of X is an A function which has having degree greater than or equal to 1, that particular P of X polynomial, I'm dividing it. If I'm dividing that particular polynomial with a polynomial called G of X, I'm dividing that particular P of X polynomial with linear polynomial x minus a, then what is going to be my reminder? P of a. So what does it mean? I'll tell you one by one now. See here, one by one. We'll solve an example here. So my question is now, if he will give like this, divide 3a square plus x minus 1 by a plus 1. See here, divide 3a square plus x minus 1 by a plus 1. How can I divide this? Look at this. Let us consider this as my P of X, and let me consider this as G of X. Anything you could look at this here. I supposed to divide this P of X by using G of X, by using long. Look at this here. How will be dividing? A plus 1 3a square plus x minus 1. As simple as that, by using long division method. Look at this here. My first and foremost step is what?
So we have divided with A with 3A.
What is going to be my first term in coefficient? Look at this. What is going to be my first term in coefficient? 3.
So to get 3a,
To get 3a square with what term? Let me please, Kana, let me talk 1 second. Once I talk, please you ask it out. All right. So with what term I supposed to multiply so that I'll be getting 3 square? See here, with what term I supposed to multiply this a plus 1? Look at this. This is my divisor here. This is my dividend. All right. In down, I'll be getting remainder. I'll be getting here what? Quotient. I'll be getting quotient here. All right. I'll be getting quotient here. Okay. See here, for getting quotient, with what term I supposed to multiply? With what term I supposed to multiply the first term of the divisor so that I'll get 3a square? Of course, 3a. If I multiply 3a into a, what I'm going to get? 3a square. Again, 3a into 1 plus 3a. Look at this here. Now subtract. How can I subtract now? I'm going
3a
to,
plus
Sir,
1.
now we should change the sign, sir, so that 3a
yes,
square will be cancelled.
these
sir.
two will be getting cancelled. What I'm going to get now? X minus 3a minus 1. All right. All right. So
Someone
now,
doubt, sir.
yes.
Sir,
Children, I lost the power, so I had to connect with my hotspot. So just a minute. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So your voice is breaking, sir.
Can you hear me clearly now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ha,
sir.
Yes, sir.
very good. So is it recording? Can you please check it out? 1 second. Yeah. It
Yes,
is
sir.
recording. It is recording. Okay.
Yes, sir. It's recording, sir.
Okay. See here.
Sir, I'm having a doubt.
Please, we'll discuss this question first. Once we're done with this question, we'll clear your doubt. All right, ma? What's your name?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Ha. Tell me here. Children, my signals are fluctuating since I lost the power here. Huh. Look at this here. Here we small change here.
sir, because
we
we
can
have
hear
some
you.
internet issues this lesson, that is why screen share is not able to. It is not able to share.
And moreover, we can't hear you.
Look at this here.
Yes, and now we
Can
can
you hear
see.
me?
Yeah, sir. Now we got it.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
appeared.
All right. Look at this here. So what we have to, the first the p of x function is what here? 3a square plus a minus 1. This is p of x. What is my g of x now? A plus 1. I supposed to divide this p of x by using a plus 1, which is g of x. How can I divide? A plus 1. This is,
Sir, we cannot see that, sir.
can't you see the screen now? I'm sharing the screen.
Sir, whatever you are writing,
Sir, you
the
shared.
screen
Yes, sir.
is
We can see
visible.
it. We can see it, sir.
Sir, you
Yeah,
rubbed it, I
please
think.
you
But
check your
whatever
network.
you are writing,
No, sir.
Sir, you
yeah,
are up to the division.
okay, yeah.
Yes. Can you see the screen now? See here. What is my divisor? A plus 1. What is my dividend?
is
3a square plus a minus 1. All
3a
right.
square plus 4
3a
minus
square
1.
plus
3a
a.
plus
Children, I lost my power. I'm just connecting with my hotspot, but it is not stable. It's fluctuating actually. So look at this here. Huh. Can you see the screen now?
No problem.
Is it? Can you able to see the
No.
screen?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Look at this here. So this is
No,
my
sir.
final
No,
value.
sir.
is coming.
It is showing, sir, it is showing, it is loading still.
Oh. Just a minute.
Yes, sir. We can
Yes,
see
sir.
it
Now
now.
we got it.
Yes, sir.
We can see.
Can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I lost the power app. Hello. Look at this
Sir,
here.
we can hear you, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
See here, this is P of X polynomial and G of X polynomial. We are supposed to divide this P of X polynomial by using a plus 1. How can I divide this? Look at this here. So with what term I supposed to multiply first? 3a. So that I'll be getting 3a into a. I'm going to get 3a square. Again, 3a into 1, I'm going to get 3a. All right. So I supposed to subtract.
Yes, sir.
I supposed to subtract now. I supposed to change the symbol. So
Sir,
here 3a
I
square
am
minus
not
3.
able to see.
Can you please check your network connection, ma?
So we can see you, sir. We can hear and see you.
Yeah. Please, someone of you are able to see the screen. Please, children, those who are not able to see the screen, can you please check your network connection? See here, a minus 2a, which is going to be minus 2a minus 1. All right, minus 2a and minus 1. So look at this here. Now, children, it is fluctuating a lot. I'm so sorry. See here. Can you see that now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
A minus 3a, which is going to be minus 2a. So again, look at this here. With what number I supposed to multiply so that I'll be getting 2?
Sir, we cannot see the screen.
Sir, you did not share the screen.
I'm sharing the screen. One second, let me share it again. Let me stop it again and let me
But
share
I
it.
cannot see.
Sir, we can.
1 second. Now can you? The power, but it takes time to connect with the Wi-Fi. So look at this. Can you able to see the screen now? Tell me clearly.
Yes, sir. We can see the screen.
It's
Yes.
loading. Yeah, now I
One
can
second.
see.
So we can see, sir.
Look at this now. With what number I supposed to multiply now? Minus 2, 3a minus 2. So if I multiply minus 2 into a, what I'm going to get? Minus 2a. Minus 2 into 1, what I'm going to get? Minus 2. Subtract it again. When I'm subtracting, I'll be changing the symbols. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So plus 2a minus 2 will get cancelled. What is my remainder now? 1 is my remainder. So what is quotient? Quotient is 3a minus 2.
Sir, whatever you're writing is getting stuck, sir.
Yeah, sir.
We can see it, sir, now.
Now
Sir,
it's
suddenly
visible.
coming out sometime.
Many of you are able to see and many of you are not able to see it. I do not know why. I have proper signal with this thing. What went wrong?
Sir, can you please explain it again?
Definitely. Why not? I'll go through that again. Definitely, I'll explain you again. I'll take 10 minutes extra, not an issue. Is it fine with you all? I'll take 10 minutes extra.
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes,
fine
sir.
with you all?
It's fine.
Okay.
No problem. No problem.
Okay, Kana.
Yes.
No problem.
Please, I'll take
Excuse
it.
me, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Who's that?
Sir, if you're taking minus 2, can we take plus 2? Like
You-
plus 2a and minus
see.
3 will get cancelled.
One second. If you are taking plus 2, what will happen? Let us go through that again. If you are taking plus 2, what will happen? Let's see. If I'm multiplying with plus 2 into a, this is here minus 2a here, minus 1. All right. If I'm taking plus 2a and plus 2. All right. Plus 2 and plus 2. So I supposed to subtract. When I'm dividing, I supposed to subtract, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can see here. When I'm just doing this, what I'm going to get now? Even though I'm getting
Minus. So that becomes minus 2 minus 2.
See here, if you are adding these two, I'm getting 1. But we have to subtract here. When I'm subtracting, so what will I get? Plus 2a will become minus 2a minus.
So
and what is-
minus 4a minus 3.
Minus 4a minus 3. This is what my remainder now. But that is not the
Minus
case.
3.
We have to subtract over there, right? So that is what the reason. I'm just taking here. Minus 2. Are you getting my point? So minus 2 means
Yes,
minus
sir.
2 means minus 2a minus 2. I'll be changing the signs now. Plus 2a minus 2 will get cancelled. And remainder is going to be what? 1. All right. Is it clear now?
2 and minus 2
Yes, sir.
are minus. Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Can you see the screen now clearly? Tell me one by one. Yes.
Yes, sir. We can.
Sir.
I'll
Sir,
explain
can
it.
I,
We can see it, but it's lagging.
Just a minute. I just let me explain this question again, please.
So one question, sir.
This question. Let me explain this again.
So minus 2 and minus 2a is minus 4a, right?
Yes.
sir, something happening.
What's happening? Not happening.
Sir,
Nothing happening.
it's
See
clear
here.
now. It's not
It's clear
lagging.
now. It's not lagging, right? Now look at this. Now I got the power. I got connected with the Wi-Fi. No issues at all. See here. I supposed to divide this P of X with G of X. All right. So look at this. How I supposed to divide this by using long division method. Look at this. A plus 1. This is my divide and dividend. What is this? All right. So look at this here. First and foremost step is what? I supposed to look upon this with what term I supposed to multiply the divisor. Look at this. If I multiply with a 3a, so that I'll be getting 3a square, which is very easy as to calculate. Look at this 3a into a, 3a square. Again, this with this 3a, I supposed to multiply each and every term of a divisor. Look at this here, 3a into a, again 3a into 1. So 3a into a, 3a square, 3a into 1, which is going to be 3a. All right. While dividing something, we'll be subtracting, right? So I'll be changing the sign for subtraction. All right. So 3a square plus 3a square. We'll be getting a, so minus 2a. A minus 3a, which is, your voice is lagging, Bhargav. See here, a minus 3a, which is minus 2a, and I just carrying this minus 1 here. So what I'm getting, look at this now. Now what I'm going to get, tell me. What I'm going to get?
minus 2.
Raja, please mute yourself.
Look
minus
at this.
2.
Raja, please.
Minus 2. If I multiply,
it will be 3a plus 3a minus 2.
wait. See, look at this here, 3a minus 2. If I'm dividing, if I'm just multiplying with minus 2 now, minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into a, minus 2a, minus 2 into 1, which is going to be minus 2. All right. So while subtraction, I'll be changing the signs. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So plus 2a minus 2a will become 0, and minus 1 plus 2. How much? Plus 1. So my remainder is what now? My remainder is what now?
1.
1. Remainder is 1.
1.
So quotient
Remainder is 1.
quotient of P of X is what? And remainder of P of X is what? See, quotient of P of X. Quotient of this P of X is,
Quotient is 3a minus 2.
remainder is 1. This is what? The concept of remainder theorem. All right. Remainder theorem basically shows us to how to divide in a long division method. Basically, how to divide in a long division method. I told you the definition here. Look at this. If any P of X function, if you take, if any P of X function is, if P of X function is any polynomial having degree greater than or equal to 1. Look at this here. What is the degree of this polynomial now? Greater than is, what is the degree of this polynomial? 2. So which is greater than? Which is greater than 1? Which is greater than 1? That is what I was talking about in definition. Look at this. If P of X is any polynomial having degree greater than or equal to 1, and if it is divided by a linear, if it is divided by the linear polynomial, which is g of x is equal to x minus a, then the remainder is what? P of a. Look at this here. What is that? P of a. So what is the remainder now? In this case, if I divide this, so what is the remainder now? I got 1. So I'll give one more question, children. I'll give one more question for your better understanding. I'll give few more questions, not only one question. I'll give couple of questions now. So we'll solve one more question, then we'll go for the next. Okay. All right.
Sir, your questions, sir, we will reply privately, sir.
Definitely. You please reply privately. That would be better actually. If I ask one by one, you guys have to tell me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute.
Sir, may I have a question?
Sorry,
Can I ask a question?
please. Who's that?
Tayyaba.
What is your name?
Tayyaba.
Yes, ma. Please.
In reminder theorem, the reminder must be one or it can be anything.
It can
any
be
reminder.
anything. It doesn't need it. It need not to be only one. It can be anything. It can be anything. Divide can be. See here, reminder. See here, we are getting one here as a reminder. After this one, we do not have other option to divide, right? See here, we do not have any other option. We cannot do further any steps. We cannot proceed with any further steps. That is what the last step. One, after one, what will you do? Tell me. For getting one, with what number you supposed to multiply? See here, for getting one, if I multiply with one, so 1 into a, I'll be getting a. So that is not possible here. After one, we cannot do anything. We cannot proceed further. So that is what one is the reminder. So it need not to be one in the reminder. It could be anything. All right. So I'll give one more question here. So my if my p of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6, and if my g of x is x square plus x plus 1, then divide these two. Divide these two.
Okay. Understood.
Make it fast. Make it fast.
So the remainder will be minus 6. So the remainder will be 6, sir.
Remainder will be. You solve that. See, long, by
6, I think.
using long division method, you solve that and tell me the answer. Make it fast. We'll see who will give the first answer. Let me solve this question. After this, I'll be giving you a couple of questions which we need to be work out at your home. See here. So I just I thought of teaching you coordinate geometry today, but the information what I got was you have done with first two chapters. So I thought of going for third chapter today, but you started asking me the doubts for second chapter. So we left out here itself. So not an issue. So we'll finish with the polynomial lesson. Once we're done with that, as soon as we finish this, we'll go for the coordinate geometry next lesson. All right.
Okay, sir.
Look at this.
Okay,
here.
sir.
Sir, I have sent you my answer.
Okay, let me check it out. I didn't get anyone's answer here. Can you please resend it again?
Sir, without long division method, is there any method, sir,
No.
to find the remainder?
No.
The remainder theorem is for finding remainder only, right? Without division, like long division.
Yes. Make it fast. Make it fast. Let me talk. Let me discuss this. Look at this here. Very big question. X square plus x. This is my divisor. What is my dividend? X cube minus 6x square plus
Sir, I
11x.
sent now, sir.
Very good. Ananya, you are right, Ananya. Ananya is right answer. Aditya, you are somewhere you went wrong actually. See here, we'll discuss. Not an issue. Ananya, very fantastic.
Sir, I
answer.
sent.
Very good. Very good. Let me discuss. You please correct yourself. Let me teach. See here, what is first term here? First, you have to look up on the first term of the divisor. And you have to look up on the first term of the dividend. What is my first term? See here, for getting x cube, with what number, with what term I supposed to multiply? With x. Isn't it? Isn't it? For getting x cube, with what am I supposed to
Yes,
multiply?
sir.
See here. So if I multiply with x, with this x, I supposed to multiply this entire divisor. X into x square, which is x cube, x into x, which is x square, and x into 1, which is going to be x.
Well,
Now look at this here. Now look at this. Now I'll be subtracting. I'll be changing the sign when I'm subtracting. Minus, minus, minus. All right. So plus x cube minus x cube will be getting cancelled. Minus 6x square and minus 6x square. Sorry.
Please explain again because you got stuck in middle.
Oh, okay. Sure. I'll be explaining. I'll explain it again. See, P of X is what here? X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. G of X is this one. So what I supposed to do here is I supposed to multiply P of X with a G of X. All right. So how I supposed to divide here? Look at this. The first I supposed to look up on the first term of the divisor and first term of the dividend. What is my first term here? X cube. What is my first term here? What is my first term in divisor? X square. What is my first term in dividend? X cube. For getting X cube, with what term I supposed to multiply? With X only, of course. See here, ma, for getting X cube, I supposed to multiply X square with X only, right? Then only I'll be getting X cube is equal to X cube. All right. Getting my point, children? So that's what I'm explaining you here.
Yes.
X square I supposed to multiply X square with X. So now X into X square, X cube, X into X square, X into 1, X. So look at this. Now subtract this as simple as it. Plus X cube
Sir,
minus
minus 7x square minus 7x square.
Minus
Plus
10x.
plus
Plus
11x minus
11x minus 6.
plus 10x minus 6.
Like
6
10x
will be carried out.
minus 6.
Look at this now. So here X, right? Now next, look at again look at this. First term of the divisor and first term of this. I have 7x square. With what number I supposed to multiply so that I'll get 7x square?
Minus 7.
Minus
Minus 7.
Minus
Of
7.
course, minus 7. Look at this here. Again, minus 7 into x square, minus 7x square.
Minus 7.
Minus 7 into x, minus 7x. And minus 7 into 1, minus 7. All right. Look at this now.
Sir,
I'll
we should
be-
change the signs.
Very
Sir,
good.
it's a minus, right?
Yes, minus means I supposed to change. I'm subtracting there, right? So plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So I'm changing plus x square, plus 7x square, minus 7x square will get cancelled. So plus 10x plus 17x. So plus 7x, which is going to be 17x. So minus 6 plus 7 plus 1.
Minus 13. Plus 1.
Look at this. After this, what I supposed to do? See here, with what number I supposed to multiply so that I'll get 17x.
That is
I
the
cannot do.
reminder, no, sir.
That is the reminder. I do not have other option to do. Isn't it? That's what I'm explaining. Someone has asked that, sir, would it be the only in reminder? It must be 1 or it could be anything. It could be anything like this. In last example, we got reminder as 1. Now in this example, we are getting 17x plus 1 as the reminder. Are you getting my point here? How we are proceeding
Yes, sir.
here? Always first and foremost step is what? We have to look upon the first term of the divisor and first term of the dividend. All right. Look at this here. I have x cube here. I have x square here. So with what number I supposed to divide? I supposed to multiply with x square so that I'll get x cube. With x, if I multiply, so I'll get x cube. All right. I'll get a polynomial in a x cube. I'll get a cubic polynomial. Are you getting my point, children? I have cubic polynomial in a dividend. So for getting a cubic polynomial, with what term I supposed to multiply so that I'll get a cubic polynomial? Of course, with x. If I multiply with x, this one, I'll get this one. After this, if I multiply with a 7, I'll get this one. So this is what the procedure of following for long division method. I hope you understood this. Is there any doubt with you
Sir?
guys?